Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My hair looks ridiculous right now. Yes, I know this. And it goes along perfectly with the day that was today. This is a very tough one to do because this was a video. This is a day that I totally overtraded. Now, I know that we can all, and we've all been there before with, you know, taking one too many trades and, seeing your P&L go down, and then you do a good job, you get it back. And that's when you need to realize when to just close it up, just shut down at that point. Now, I know we've all heard this a million times, but even experienced traders make this mistake. So that's why I'm coming on here and I am giving you, full disclosure here of my trading day and how annoying it was. The market did not help. It was so choppy. And then it just went absolutely haywire. But you cannot blame the market. We all know this already. I was aware of what was going on and I still did nothing about it. So without more of that, you guys already know this is going to be a tough one to make. Not sharing the moneymaker today. This is the opposite of the moneymaker. So I'm just going to pull up so that you guys can see the overall garbage. Okay. We lost almost about $112, which you guys have seen my green days. This is a pretty big, bad red day for me. But I'm still making the video. I don't hide from my losses. Somebody literally jinxed me in the comments section about a week ago. I was on a great streak, but this is what happens. I'm going to show you the first issue that came up today. It was this one trade right here, this OCG, for a way bigger loss than I should have taken. So I started my day off down $66. We were able to battle back. Let me just type this in, OCG. See what I was looking at here. Yeah, this was a pre-market trade. And I usually don't do this close to the market open. Let's see, I'm just going to pull it up on here. Okay, good, it showed. So, it would have gotten way worse. This is why you just have to stop out. You don't know when this is going to happen, right? This is why we have our high of day scanners on, to see stuff like this. This is a nice break of VWAP, and then it got halted, it looks like, and ripped higher. But the trade that I took that started my day off on the wrong foot was this right here. I thought I was going to get a bounce off of the 9. The opposite happened, right? So I just got stopped out. Plain and simple, this went against me so fast in one bar that, if you guys have traded pre-market before, you know that these are very, very tough and you can't put a stop loss in on pre-market. So you guys also want to be aware of that. You are not able to put a stop loss in like you would normally do if you take a trade during the day. You could come in here and you set your stop. You can't do that in pre-market and you can't do it in after hours. So you are at the whim of, price action. And these things can drop like a rock. And that's exactly what happened. So we started off down $66, which is not good for me. I don't take this much of a loss on a stock usually. Usually I keep my my limit to about 20 cents. This was just, like I said, it just ripped right through. There's nothing you can do when that happens. And I'm not going to sit and hold it to hope that it comes back. Because when it's down here at 12.19 and you don't stop out here, now you're down almost, $200 or more. So you got to stop out. Yes, this happened. Oh well. So this was the start of the day. Now take a look at this. This thing had me absolutely rattled today. AMC. Where is the line I drew? Okay, it's not here anymore. That's because we're in the wrong day. Man, this day really got me all flustered. Look at all of these trades that I took on this stock. Absolutely ridiculous. And I'm going to show you why. Right in here. Look at this. It goes up and hits 1441. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You get the point. I don't learn my lesson. Because we keep coming back here, and I don't want to miss the break of this level. I mean, take a look at this. We see things like this often, just not this long. I mean, this is almost a joke. For an hour and 15 minutes, it bounced up against 1441. Any of you guys out there that traded this stock today, let me know if you got caught in this. Because it's shocking that I only lost $23 because I tried to get the break of this 6 times and failed every time. Now, it's good that I don't hold and hope and wish, because it really came down with the rest of the market as the day progressed. But I mean, wow, that is just ridiculous. So you can see, when you're trying to play the break of something, when you get the break, this was going to go way past high of day if we only got this break right here. But something or someone or something was keeping this down, because I was watching the level 2. And every time 1440 broke, 1441 piled on with new sells. I mean, I actually have never seen anything like this before. For an hour and 15 minutes, I'm banging my head against this. I mean, I have literally the biggest headache right now. So I hope you guys give me a thumbs up for at least coming on here and making this while I literally have a terrible migraine from staring at this all day. So that was that. Now, let me go in here real quick. So I showed you this one. This one was annoying. Apple, I was doing good until the last trade that I took on it. Citigroup, I did okay on, and Plug was a break even. It didn't break out, so I just took the trade off. And now SPY, this one was an options put contract, 2 of them, that normally I would have just let them go. And if I did, this would have been the biggest winner of the day. But I put it on at the wrong time because the market was going down. So when it comes up, goes down, right? It makes a lower low, comes up, goes down, makes another lower low. You can't put a trade on here and hope that it keeps going lower. It's going to have where it comes back against you. And when this came back against me, I said, is this going to be like what happened last week where the market turned after the big sell-off? So I cut my loss because you just never know. And you can't just hope and wish. But I did put the trade on at the low, and I was looking for the break of the lower low, which didn't happen until about 10 minutes later, but I had already pulled the trade off then. So let's go in. I'm not actually, this was the only decent trading that I did today. I basically scalped this every single move that it did. And every time I scalped it, I was glad that I did because it went back against me. So it was a lot of, we don't pay commissions because this is free. But it was a lot of shares churned. But that got us $20 here. And now, what else did I want to show you? This is what overtrading looks like. You see this? Way too much. And, starting the day off with a loss like that is really frustrating. I actually got this down and cut it in half at the, beginning part of the day. And that's when you should realize to just shut it down there because it could always get worse. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed my honesty with you today. And if you did, hit the thumbs up for me. Please hit the thumbs up. At least it helps the channel out and helps me feel better. Just kidding. But anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.